Taurus, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, Taurus, let's see. Next 30 days, what's up? Higher power. You are accessing your higher power. Maaring yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening or mas nagiging aligned kayo sa inyong instinct, sa inyong intuition, mas nagiging sensitive kayo sa paligid. I also see some of you na meron ka matutuklasan na isang bagay na parang inunlock yung isip mo. Parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng clarity, kaliwanagan. A change in the wind. So may nagbabago sa mga plano mo or direksyon na tatahakin mo because of the things na nare-realize mo. Pwede itong nare-realize mo pagdating sa relationship, kaya nagbago yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, or iba naman, na-realize mo pagdating sa trabaho, na hindi mo pala kailangan magtrabaho para sa ibang tao, na kailangan pala mas mag-focus ka sa pag-develop mo sa sarili mo, mga ganun. So, may enlightenment. You have the yang energy. So, this is masculine energy. This is taking action, being on the go, initiating something. So, talagang mas malakas yung iyong fighting spirit in the next 30 days na walang makakapigil sa mga plano mo, sa mga actions na gagawin mo. You are well connected to your instinct na alam mo na dito ka mapapabuti. So, yun yung gagawin mo. This is a start of an era, like bagong ikaw, a brand new you, na kapag nakita ka ng mga dating nakakakilala sa'yo, hindi nila aakalain na ikaw na yan ngayon. O, diba? You have the Seven of Wands. You are protecting yourself. You are setting boundaries. Hindi mo na hahayaan na ikaw ay ma-take advantage ng ibang tao. Maglalakas loob ka na sabihin sa kanila na, oops, hanggang dito lang ako. Ganon. You have the Four of Swords. So, this is about healing, rest, recovery. Maaaring meron ding mga taong iniiwasan ka na nakausapin or iniiwas mo na yung sarili mo sa drama, sa buhay. Dahil ayaw mo na nun. Mas gusto mo ngayon ng katahimikan ng isip. At kapag ang isang sitwasyon or tao ay toxic sa buhay mo, bye-bye na, aalis ka na doon. I-detach mo yung sarili mo. Wow, you have the Six of Wands. This is success. Success in life, triumph, may glory. So kung kayo ay sasali sa contest, maaring kayo mananalo, or any kahit ano pang paligsahan, ang lalim, paligsahan. But this can also mean na yung efforts mo, yung binigay mong effort para sa project mo or kung ano man yung pinupurso mo ngayon, this is going to be successful for you. You will see the results. Makikita mo yung resulta ng pinagharapan mo in the next 30 days. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-assume na bagong responsibility. Itong responsibility na to maaring sa career, trabaho, or sa business na kung saan ikaw yung magaling dyan. You are the best in that field. You are the expert. Oy, speaking of expert, you have the Magician. You are manifesting your desires. You are hina-harness mo yung galing mo, yung abilities mo, yung power mo. This is a very powerful energy for you, Taurus. And it's like you are, umaalis ka na sa comfort zone mo kasi mas confident ka na sa mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. You are now ready to take the risk. Kasi, alam mo, may skills ka. Wheel of Fortune, things are changing for you for the better, Taurus. Ang ganda. May energy shift for you. And I think magsisimula yan the moment na i-protect mo yung sarili mo from the noise, from the negative energies around you. Yung mga taong hindi totoo sa'yo, i-detach mo yung sarili mo, and focus on elevating, focus on improving yourself. And definitely, success will find you. Oh, diba? You are, maaaring may makikipag-ayos or you are making peace with your past. Yes, meron ng outcome. Meron ditong decision making na gagawin. Pwedeng issue with someone na finally magkakaroon na ng closure. Mas magiging persistent ka, hardworking, talagang walang makakapigil sa'yo na magawa yung gusto mong gawin. Oh my God, look at that. There is fame. Mas lalo kang titingalain, mas lalo kang i-recognize. Ma-appreciate ka ng mga tao sa ginagawa mo. Some of you, yung career path ninyo is public. You are being seen by a lot of people. Maaring kayo ay teacher, nag-share kayo ng knowledge, ng skills ninyo, and people are going to admire you for that. Grabe. Evaluation. You are evaluating yung mga priorities mo. Alam mo na kung saan mo i-focus yung energy mo. Hindi ka na magsasayang ng oras at panahon para sa mga walang kakwenta-kwentang bagay. Oh, 'di ba? You are healing your inner child as well. If you are in a relationship in the past na parang naging magulo yung situation ninyo, may ending, you are finally entering a new phase in your relationship, maaring mas active or mas confident ka sa sarili mo. You are also focusing on your happiness, kung saan ka masaya. Maaring may mga places ka na pinupuntahan na yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan, going out with nature, going to the beach, doing spiritual work. You are making healthy choices. Healthier yung lifestyle mo, lalo na sa ini-ingest mo, like kinakain mo, ganyan. You are focusing on self-love, self-care. Maaring parang eureka moment sa'yo na, ay, okay, kailangan ko na tong gawin. It's time. It's time to make some changes. It's time to make healthy choices. Diba? At yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. Kasi finally, sarili mo na yung iniisip mo ngayon, hindi na yung ibang tao palagi. Or yung maling tao or maling sitwasyon. Money, career, finances for Taurus. The Six of Swords. Kung nagkaroon ng challenging situation, merong conflict sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, you are moving forward. You have the Nine of Swords. Maraming drama, stress na na-experience ka sa relationship, sa trabaho mo. But I think, ito na yung reason, no? Kaya aalis ka dyan. Yung iba sa inyo aalis aalis sa situation nyo sa career, trabaho, or sa business na yan because of a new opportunity na ino-offer sa'yo or ipinipresenta sa'yo ngayon ng universe. Sa love life naman, you have the Hermit, you have the Lovers, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So some of you, maaring may ghosting dito. No? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship na parang you feel na hindi ka napapahalagahan, maaring aalis ka sa relationship na yan because you feel na hindi mo din i-deserve yung pagtrato sa'yo ng taong to. And the moment na umalis ka dyan, i-direct ka sa bago na person or maaring sa landas na kung saan makikilala mo yung tamang tao para sa'yo. Gano'n naman eh. Kaya lang minsan yung iba ayaw nilang umalis doon eh, sa toxic na yan eh. Kaya paulit-ulit yung karmic cycle ng relationship. Hindi nila nakikilala yung person para sa kanila, 'di ba? But for you, you are letting go of that. Take a chance on them. Maaring meron kang bibigyan ng pagkakataon na maging parte ng buhay mo. This can be a family member, friend, or a person from your past. Okay? You're going to give them a chance. Maaring nagbago na, 'di ba? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.